Hello, I'm Lucas, designer from Rezt+Relax Interior. I welcome you to our latest project in Whampoa Drive. When you walk into the foyer, straight away you can see the long storage here. The homeowner chose natural finishing because it lasts longer and easy to maintain. There is the storeroom here. I hack it down to let the kitchen look more spacious. Instead of a dining table, the owner went for a bar counter, make the living area look bigger. The common toilet still have nice wall tiles, so we did not touch it. I just do waterproofing and overlay the floor tiles. I provide a lot of storage cabinet in the yard area. Now we are entering the master bedroom. We actually hacked the other room to connect them together. I designed a walk-in wardrobe for the homeowner, and I also overhauled the connecting toilet. Thanks for watching. With Rezt+Relax Interior, once a customer, always a customer.